National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Muskingum County, southwestern Noble County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northeast of McConnellsville, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles an hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Caldwell, Bell Valley, Rural Dale, High Hill, Blue Rock State Park. This includes Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 24 and 29. The preliminary climate summary.